Hello, this is Laurel Silk at Silk Web Consulting and Development, an e-learning design company based in sunny Phoenix, Arizona. I have two favorite technologies that I like to use to create videos. The first is Zoom. Zoom allows you to engage in live web conversations with your students using audio, video, and text-based chat features. Unlike a video conferencing program like Skype or Google Hangouts, you do not need a unique username or account to use Zoom. Blackboard Collaborate does require a school subscription, and if you have one, use it. I have several videos on Collaborate that I will share on my YouTube channel. I also have a user cheat sheet to help troubleshoot any issues you may have. In this video, I'm going to discuss 3 different options that you can use to create virtual course lectures for your online course. The first option is running your live class with Zoom or Collaborate. This option works especially well for small discussion-based classes, though it's also effective for large lectures, especially if you have a moderator. The second option is recording in PowerPoint with audio or record yourself in Zoom. If you're comfortable with another video technology, you can use that as well. The third option is to skip the video altogether. I will discuss some tips on how to provide students with the information they need using some common technologies that you are comfortable with. Let's get started. Run your class live with Zoom. This option works especially well for small discussion-based classes, but as I mentioned before, it's also effective for large lectures when you have a moderator to assist you. You will need to visit zoom.us to create a free account, and you can meet up to 40 minutes at a time for free. If you prefer a paid plan, you can purchase a paid subscription for 1 year at around $14.99 a month, and they have various plans from there. The second option I wanted to mention was pre-recording your lectures using something like Zoom or PowerPoint or another video technology you might be comfortable with. It's important to remember you want to keep your video short and lively because it's often harder to focus on a video than it is on a person in front of you speaking. You can integrate interaction with the lecture material, and you might consider setting up a Canvas discussion board or a Blackboard discussion board with specific questions. You can use a quiz, or you can set up a chat session for a text-based live discussion. You also want to think about ADA compliance. Automatic closed captioning isn't perfect right now, so you want to make sure to speak clearly, not too quickly, and to make the content as accurate as possible. If you use a tool other than Zoom for recording your lecture, you can consider uploading your videos to YouTube, and they have an automatic, though not perfect, closed caption. So I just want to cover the very easy steps for inserting audio into PowerPoint. You can record narration and timings. You'll go up to the slideshow menu and then click on Record Slideshow. You have 2 options here. The first one is Start Recording from Beginning, and as it says, you'll start recording your audio from the beginning of the presentation, or you can select Start Recording from the current slide. So if you're on slide 3, then you can start recording from that specific slide. So from there, you just want to select or clear what you'd like for your recording, and then select Start Recording. You can start speaking and adding your markings to your presentation. So the third option we're going to talk about is skipping the video altogether. Many online courses do not have a video component at all. If you're not sure if you have the right equipment or you're just uncomfortable with the technical setup, then maybe this is the best option for you, at least for the short term. If you do choose to skip the video, which is perfectly fine, I've built hundreds of online courses without video. You just want to make sure to follow some basic suggestions. First, annotate your slideshow with notes and share this with your students by posting these to your learning management system. Set up a discussion forum for your students in your LMS. Use specific, structured questions and let students know expectations for the responses. You can share links to outside resources and include any other handouts or things like that that you might have available to help them. I have several discussion rubrics available on my website, and I will post direct links below this video for you. Also, encourage students to watch videos, read articles, and to reflect on that by sharing their knowledge with their classmates in a discussion forum. You can use chat to have a live text-based chat session with students, and in the age of texting, you'll be surprised how effective a simple chat can be. Okay, well, thanks for listening. And if you have any questions or you'd like to visit us, feel free to do so at www.silkweb.com.